This is Josh with MarineMax in New York. Today we're going to take a look at our new 2021 Scout 235 Dorado. So you can see this boat comes in the Scout white, matching hardtop, chrome graphics, this boat's also equipped with the Mercury Dorado 300, water sports tower, nice decking in the transom here, fold-away seats here in the cockpit. Great Yeti cooler, sink. Very nice looking countertops, tables. Interior color on this boat is fantastic. Also notice how Scout did the window rails here. Very cool. Home station, large Garmin multifunction display, onboard VHF, Mercury vessel view, Fusion stereo. And comes with a remote for your lighting and accents. Let's move forward to the port side. Nice size head for a boat of this size. Decent amount of room. Again, look at this, the sturdiness of the windows. Very comfortable bow seating. Any questions about this 235 Dorado or any other boats we have in inventory, give us a call at our Huntington location. We'll be glad to help.